you use your toilet or the black tank, you need to turn on the 12 volts first and the water pump as well. And then we can proceed to the toilet. So on the toilet you have 3 options. So the first one is just for short use. Hold the button in. Okay, once that is done, this one is for before use. Just do it again. So hold it for a few seconds. And then once you're finished, this is for after use. You'll hear it sucking out as well. And then you also have a dial on this side that will indicate the fullness of the tanks. So once the tanks are full, I'll just shut that one off. We'll go outside. So in this locker you have your black tank and your grey water. Now this is your black hose. It's got a fitting here at the bottom. It fits up in there. Okay, so I'll just undo that. Comes with a hose. You will attach the hose to this. Just do that. You open the valve here for the black tank, and then you got this button here. Once you push it, the motor will start going and will pump out all the water. Once your tank is empty, you can rinse your tank as well. You can just add a hose to this one, open the valve, it will rinse out your tank. Water will be coming out, just put it on again so that the fresh water comes out again. Once you're happy with that, shut that off. Now this has also got a SOG, so it will suck out all foul smells just going out here. On the right hand side is all your grey water. So you've got another grey hose here that just connects underneath the vehicle there, and then you just open the valve. Now if you have issues with your black tank, there's a release valve there. It shouldn't be touched, because if you can see in the middle of the vehicle down there, yeah, it's capped off. You have to unscrew the cap, turn on the pump here, then it will just empty your black tank. But you just have to be aware of it. It's going to make a mess if you do. What we'll do, we'll probably just stick something over. This is only an emergency valve. The fresh water, I'll just show you where the fresh water is. So if you need to release your fresh water, it's the one right up front in the first locker. This is when it drops below 0, this little device will activate. I'll just activate it quick. The water will come out. Push in the buttons. That's only if it drops below 0 degrees. It will release all the water so you don't get damage to the pipes between the floors.